In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checkboxes in Google Sheets. This is a simple, reliable way to track tasks, mark items as complete, or create quick yes or no inputs right inside your spreadsheet. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way I'll share a few helpful notes so everything feels clear and manageable. First, open your Google Sheet. This is the file where you want to add checkboxes. Make sure you're in the correct tab if your spreadsheet has multiple sheets, so the checkboxes end up exactly where you expect them. Next, select the cell or the range of cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. You can click a single cell for just one checkbox, or click and drag to highlight a block of cells if you need several. If you plan to use checkboxes for an entire list, it often helps to select the entire column area where your list lives, so every row lines up neatly. Selecting the right range up front saves time because Google Sheets will add a checkbox to every cell you've highlighted. Now look to the top menu bar of Google Sheets. Click Insert. This menu is where Google Sheets keeps tools for adding elements to your sheet, and it includes a dedicated option for checkboxes so you don't have to build anything from scratch. From the Insert dropdown, choose Checkbox. As soon as you select this, Google Sheets will place a clickable checkbox in each cell you selected. If you chose a single cell, you'll get one checkbox. If you selected a larger range, each cell in that range will now have its own checkbox. That's all there is to adding them. Once the checkboxes are in place, you can click them to toggle between checked and unchecked. Behind the scenes, each checkbox represents a simple true or false value, which makes them especially handy for tracking completion or status. If your checkboxes look a bit cramped next to your text, you can adjust your column widths later to give them some breathing room, or keep your labels in a neighboring column so everything remains easy to scan. A quick tip as you use them: think about where you want your checkboxes to live before you insert them. Placing them in a consistent column or in a clear area near your data keeps your sheet organized and easier to read as your list grows. And that's it. You've opened your sheet, selected the cells you need, gone to the Insert menu, and chosen Checkbox. With those few actions, you're ready to start tracking items with clean, clickable check marks in Google Sheets.